So if you want to get the IP address, the external IP address of your computer in the Linux terminal, then it's very easy to do that. It's even easier than finding it on Google. So let's see how to do it. So the first thing that we need to do is install curl. So if you already have installed curl, then you don't need to worry about that. But if you do not have it installed, then just try it. Sudo apt install curl or yum or whatever package manager that you have. Okay, once that is done, what you have to do, if you want to find the IPv4, then just type in curl ifconfig.me, and if you want to get the IPv6, then ident.me. Okay, so if you are having problems seeing it, I'll type it again. So for IPv4, ifconfig.me, and for ident.me for IPv6 address. Now we want to compare it and check whether it is correct or not. So that is not a big deal. Just open Google, type in what is my IP, and you'll get your IP address. So if I were connected to the broadband network, I would get my IPv4 address here, but for the mobile network it just shows the IPv6, not the IPv4. I don't know why, but that's not a problem for us because we have got a better way to find it. So I hope you like the video, and that's all for this video. See you later.